Hey guys, are you want to buy best mini drones for kids? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best mini drones for kids that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hasakee Kids Drones. The Q9s Drone is a vibrant, beginner-friendly flyer, perfect for kids and first-time users. Its neon green and blue LED lights illuminate the sky with 3 lighting display modes, making nighttime flights visually stunning. Built with 4 sturdy propeller guards and durable ABS material, it withstands crashes while keeping kids safe. Easy-to-use controls include 1-button takeoff landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3 speed levels, allowing smooth operation for all skill levels. With fun features like 360 flips and auto-rotation, the Q9 South adds excitement to every flight. Plus, it includes 2 UL-certified 500 mAh batteries, doubling your flight time for extended play. Whether indoors or out, this drone delivers an engaging and secure flying experience. A great gift and an entertaining tech toy for children learning to fly. Now our second product is Deerc Mini Drones. With Camara, the D20 drone is a fun and user-friendly flying toy packed with smart features, perfect for kids and beginners. Its 720 PhD camera with an 80 wide-angle lens delivers clear, exciting FPV footage in real time through the app. Enjoy voice control, gesture, selfies, and fun stunts like 360 flips or custom flight paths drawn on your phone. Designed with simplicity in mind, it features headless mode, 1-key start landing, and altitude hold for stable, easy flying. The compact design fits in your palm, yet includes safety features like propeller guards, emergency stop, and low-power alarm. 2 modular batteries provide up to 20 minutes of flight time for uninterrupted fun. Whether capturing moments or learning the basics, the D20 drone offers a safe, engaging, and exciting flight experience for all ages. Our third product is Holy Stone Kids Drones. The Holy Stone HS210 is a unique 2-in-1 drone and RC car that offers double the fun for kids and adults alike. Race on land with smooth, drifting, and spinning action, or switch to flight mode for 3D flips, circle fly, and posture transformations. It features 1-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and 3 speed levels perfect for beginners and seasoned pilots. Full propeller guards and durable ABS plastic construction ensure safety during play. The modular battery design includes 2 rechargeable batteries for up to 16 minutes of combined playtime. With 2.4 GHz remote control, you can race or fly alongside friends without interference. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or everyday fun, this mini drone delivers an exciting and safe experience for all ages. Just pair each drone separately to avoid signal overlap. A perfect gift packed with excitement. Now number 4, Cylion Kids Drones. This kid-friendly RC drone is the perfect introduction to flying for children aged 6 to 12, with easy 1-key takeoff landing, headless mode, and altitude hold. Beginners can enjoy effortless control and 3D flips. Its durable design is ideal for indoor flights and first-time pilots. 3 adjustable speed modes let kids start slow and improve their skills, gradually making it a fun and educational STEM toy. The drone features 5 vibrant LED lights and a headlight for added visibility and excitement, even in low light. With 2 rechargeable batteries, kids get up to 16 minutes of flight time for extended fun. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or just because, this mini drone is a fantastic gift for kids. Combining skill building with entertainment, it delivers a safe, thrilling flying experience that keeps young pilots engaged and smiling. And our last choice is Holy Stone Mini Kids Drones. This mini drone packs a punch of fun with features like toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation perfect for kids and beginners. With adjustable speed modes, it adapts to all skill levels. The altitude hold and headless mode make flying stable and easy, offering a smooth learning curve for new pilots. Equipped with 3 rechargeable batteries, it delivers up to 21 minutes of total flight time, no more waiting around to recharge. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, parties, and outdoor adventures. Full propeller guards ensure safety for both kids and the drone, reducing the risk of damage or injury. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because, this drone makes a fantastic gift for kids or friends. Just remember to pair multiple drones separately to avoid signal mix-ups. Fun, safe, and beginner-friendly. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.